All right. See, let's look at question 3. Still under resolution of vectors under horizontal and vertical components. Now let's look at this question. Resolve a force of 100 Newton inclined at 50 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate the horizontal and vertical components. In the previous videos, we've just been calculating for the horizontal component. But in this video, we'll be calculating for the horizontal and the vertical component. We are going to solve it straight up. Okay, I'm going to divide this board in two so that we'll solve the horizontal component here. Horizontal, and we'll solve vertical here. Because we are going to have two answers for horizontal and vertical. Now, let's just solve straight up. What are the parameters given? They gave us force to be 100 Newton. Or should I call it force? Yeah. Or then they also gave us theta to be 50 degrees. That's all. Now, maybe I won't call this force. Let me call it V. Or V of. Or let's just call it V. Then we are asked to calculate for the horizontal component. I told you that the horizontal component is Vx. Now let's solve this using the formula Vx is equal to V cos theta. Now Vx is equal to, what is V? V is already 100 cos theta. Theta is what? 50 degrees. Now Vx is equal to 100 times cos 50. You press your calculator. Cos 50, 0.6427. 0.6427. This is cos 50, 0.6427. Then you multiply it by 100 times 100. So the horizontal component is equal to 64.2788. 64.2788. Now, if we are to maybe approximate it, we'll be having, this is kind of approximation, we'll be having 64 Newton. This is for the horizontal component. That's all. Now, we've not solved for vertical component before. If you are to calculate for the vertical component, still using the same parameters, you'll be having Vy. For the horizontal component, it is Vx. But for the vertical component, you'll be having Vy is equal to V sine theta. Can you know the difference? For horizontal component, it is cos theta. But for vertical component, it is sine theta. And it is not V of x this time, but V of y. That's the difference. Now, V of y is equal to, this is still 100 Newton sine 50, because theta is 50 degrees. V of y is equal to 100 times sine 50. Sine 50 is equal to 0.7660. Now V of y is equal to 100 times 0.7660. We'll be having 76.6 watts Newton. Can you see that it is very easy to solve this question under horizontal and vertical component? Very easy. You just have to know the formulas and know when to use them. If you are given in the aspect of with respect to force, you just make it, your answer must be in Newton, because force is measured in Newton. But if you are given the parameters, you have the question in velocity, your answer should be meter per second. You have to always take note of the units, because if you don't put the units, you will fail it. So please take note of that. Please like, share, and tap the follow button. Thank you.